there was a very big and lush green forest. In that forest lived a plump bear named Bolu. Bolu loved food, but his most favorite thing was sweet, sweet honey. One day, Bolu the bear woke up early in the morning and stretched with a loud yawn. Woo! He was very hungry. He began to sniff the air. Sniff, 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 sniff. A very nice fragrance was coming to him from somewhere. Bolu started walking with his heavy feet. Thump, 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 thump. As he walked, he reached a very large old banyan tree. He looked up, and there was a large beehive hanging there. Many bees were flying around the hive. Bzz, bzz. Bolu's mouth watered. He thought, "Today will be fun. I will eat all the honey by myself." He extended his hand towards the hive. Just then, a tiny bee flew up and said, "Bolu brother, Bolu brother, this honey is ours. We made it with great effort. Take a little, but don't break our house." But Bolu was very greedy. He said in a booming voice, "Get out of here. I am very hungry. I will eat all the honey." He started shaking the tree vigorously. Creak, cree, creak, cree. The bees got scared and started flying around. As soon as Bolu hit the hive with his paw, all the bees came out at once and chased Bolu. Bolu got scared and ran for his life. He ran ahead and the bees followed him. Boo, 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 boo. Bolu shouted, "Save me! Save me!" He hid under the bushes, but the bees found him. He hid behind the stone, but the bees reached him there too. Finally, Bolu ran and jumped into a small, cool river splash. He remained hidden under water. When the bees left, Bolu came out. Bees had stung him on the nose and cheek, making his face even fatter. Bolu realized his mistake. He said softly, "Oh, mother, it hurts a lot. I was greedy and tried to break the beehive. That's why this happened to me." Just then, the same little bee came again and said, "Brother Bolu, if you had asked with love, we would have offered you honey ourselves." Bolu apologized, holding his ears, and promised that he would never be greedy again. Then the bees gave him a little honey. Bolu licked the honey with relish, chap, 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 and happily went home. Moral of the story: greed is a bad thing, and we should respect the hard work of others.